In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Shadow Defender on your Windows computer. Shadow Defender is one of the best security software that you can use on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To get and install Shadow Defender, just go ahead and open any browser, and then just using the search bar, just go ahead and search for Shadow Defender like this. And here you'll be taken to this Shadow Defender official website. If you click on it, now we have an option here to download our antivirus. Go ahead and click on download, and this will go ahead and immediately download the setup file. Once this has been downloaded, you can go ahead and click on it and run the setup by just double clicking on it, and then click yes to start the installation. So for my case, I can't run it because already I have another antivirus program, and by forcing this installation, it might cause performance issues on my Windows computer. So if you have already your Microsoft Defender, you might want to go ahead and turn it off first to install this. So that's how you can install Shadow Defender on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.